Say you take your basic box pattern. In this case, I'm in G minor. And I'm thinking of the first 5 notes. I have G, B flat, C, D, and F. One example, I could, if I'm looking for, chords to play over the G minor pentatonic scale, or if I have a loop pedal, say I have a G minor, I go into B flat, C minor, D minor, F. You could build your G minor this way. You have a B flat down here at the first fret. So it's the same chord that way. Excuse me. You could turn them all into dominant 7th chord. So here's a G dominant 7, B flat 7, excuse me, C dominant 7, D7, F, dominant 7, and I can move that same shape right up to the G. I could do power chords off all of those. And G minor pentatonic is coming out of the G minor scale. A bonus chord would be an E flat. I'm doing the C caged shape here, but you could do an E flat this way, bar chord. So, that would be your flatted 6th added to that. So I hope this gives you some kind of insight, and these, you can move this around. Say, you're in B. It's all relative. So that's just another way, of utilizing your minor pentatonic scale. And thinking of chords to use, say you're in a 2-guitar situation, and you have somebody chugging along on some of these chords in a progression in the G minor, and you're just riffing on the scale over it. So hope you get something out of this. These are a lot of the things that help me get into jam situations and join bands and teach other guitarists and teach guitar lessons and stuff. So I hope some of this information relates to you. Thanks for watching.